Alright folks, this is my review of the Aluan tabletop USB powered desktop fan. We're going to be putting it up against the Dollar General. I either got this fan from Dollar General or CVS, but for this video we're just going to say I got it from Dollar General because most likely I did, because it'll be a lot cheaper than CVS. So in this video we're going to do a wattage test, just in case you're out there thinking about using it in a camper or RV or a minivan if you're living in a van or anything like that. And we're gonna do a wattage test, noise test, and airflow test. So let's get the Dollar General fan going. Right now I currently have them hooked up to my Jackery. We're gonna start off with the Dollar General fan, which uses a standard outlet. All right, so we got that on. We got our fan going. Now this was my fan before, but I had to let it go because the airflow was just trash. So as a standard test, we're going to have it right here on the edge of my bed. Right now I use the Aluan fan as my sleeping fan. This is the fan I use whenever I go to sleep. So you see we got some movement on our paper right here. Not too much movement. Going further back, the movement gets less. Now I could be anywhere on this mattress at any given time during the night, and the airflow will stop. I wanted that constant airflow, and this fan was not giving it to me. So we're gonna turn this one off. And by the way, this fan pulls in between 18 and 9 watts. I got it turned off. You see there. We turn that off. It's gonna go to 0. Alright, so let's turn our USB power on. That's going to kick in the Aluan fan. And you can hear about it. The noise for me is not disruptive. I actually like that humming noise. It's not as loud as a standard big fan as we have over there. But the noise, the humming noise, it really pushes you to sleep, especially when you have your television off and everything. I like it. It doesn't bother me, but it may be different for y'all. But this fan pulls in about anywhere between 3 and 2 watts. Right now is at, 5 and 2 watts. 5 and 2 watts. Right now it's at 3 watts. Alright. So let's go with our airflow test. We have the fan set on the highest setting. Yeah, we have it on number 2. So we're going to go to the edge of the bed. And already it's hard for me to get the paper situated because it is folding back. Alright, so we go further back. The paper is still folding. It's still folding. Alright. So like I said before, I could be anywhere on this bed during the night. And with this fan, I'm going to get that constant airflow. So just as a reference, let's go ahead and put it on the number 1 set. Some nights I sleep with the number 2. Some nights I sleep with the number 1. But even with the number 1 set, let me just show you guys. We are on the number 1 setting. You got a deeper hum coming from the fan, but you still get that great airflow. Still getting good airflow. Right, all the way back to almost the center of my mattress. Now, looking at these two fans, you see that this one is darn near half the size as this one. I guess this one is a better design, but in my opinion, I definitely give this fan a 5-star review. I've been using it for almost a year, and it's still up and running great. Of course, I had to clean it out a few times because the dust particles get stuck in there, and then everything get all brown and stuff. But yeah, definitely a recommendation.
Pretty powerful. It's a good little fan. I recommend it. Side view, back view.
Loving my little fan. Next to my pink stuff, you know, and all my packages. Thank you.
You either gonna let Marcel drive. Look, I may be drunk, not with your
This is the fan. It's currently on high. Now it's on low. It's very, very quiet. You can move this back and forward. Very cool. But I'm currently at work and it's very quiet. So I really think it's a pretty good value. Yeah, you should go buy it.